moving the two numbers around, I get minus 3x squared minus 3, right? And if I write this as ax squared plus k, we know that a has to be minus 3 and k has to be minus 3. A is negative, so we know that it has to point downwards, and the vertex is at 0k. So 0, negative 3. Okay, so that's going to be right here. Right, but notice that, right, this has to be pointing downwards from here, right? If that's the case, right, there will be no x-intercepts because there's no way we can cross this line. Okay, so instead, let's figure out what happens if I plug in for x is 1 and negative 1. Okay, so if I do that, right, regardless, this squared here will make this equal to 1. Okay, so for both 1 and negative 1, I'll get minus 3 times 1. So that's just minus 3. So you get minus 6. Okay, so if this is minus 3, the next point will be over here. Okay, so here is our parabola.